Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into creating an always trending feature. This concept is a bit nuanced because trending by definition implies popularity and dynamic change. To create something that appears always trending, we'll essentially need to simulate or curate a constant stream of trending content. Here's a breakdown of approaches, along with code examples in Python, since it's versatile and widely used for backend tasks, and potential front-end considerations. Core idea asterisk. The core idea is to have a pool of content, articles, videos, topics, etc., that rotates, appears relevant, and avoids seeming stale to the user. We can achieve this through 1. Curated trending items asterisk, a manually selected or periodically refreshed list of items. 2. Simulated popularity asterisk, assigning popularity scores to items and artificially manipulating them. 3. Relevancy and personalization asterisk, showing content that aligns with the user's interests to make it feel relevant. 4. Scheduled content asterisk, plan content ahead of time to always have something trending. 5. Dynamic update asterisk, regularly refresh your trending content. 6. Utilizing external sources asterisk, incorporate content from other trending locations. Scenario asterisk, let's assume we're building a news/content aggregation platform. Step 1. Data storage and models. First, we need a way to store our content. Let's outline a basic data model. We'll assume you're using a database, like PostgreSQL, MySQL, or even SQLite for a simpler example. Important database considerations asterisk. Asterisk, database schema asterisk, in a real application, you'd create a table for content items with columns corresponding to these attributes. Asterisk, indexing asterisk, index columns like publication_date, tags, and popularity_score for faster queries. Asterisk, database abstraction layer, ORM, consider using an ORM like SQL Alchemy, Python, or similar for other languages, to make database interactions easier and more portable. Step 2. Methods for generating/selecting trending content. Here's where we implement the logic to decide what appears trending. Method 2.1, Curated trending list, manual or periodically refreshed. This is the simplest to implement, but requires manual effort or a schedule to update. Method 2.2, Simulated popularity score and ranking. This involves assigning scores and manipulating them to create a semblance of trending. Explanation of update_popularity_scores asterisk. Asterisk, random increase asterisk, we add a random number to simulate an item suddenly becoming more popular, example going viral. Asterisk, age decay asterisk, older items gradually lose their score, simulating the natural decline in relevance over time. Asterisk, clamping asterisk, we use max and min to ensure the score stays within a reasonable range, 0 to 100 in this case, preventing extreme values. Asterisk, date parsing asterisk, the datetime.datetime.strctime function converts the date string from the publication_date to a datetime object, making it possible to calculate the age of the content. Method 2.3, Relevancy and personalization. This is where things get more sophisticated. It involves understanding the user's interests and showing them content that aligns. Key improvements for real personalization asterisk. Asterisk, user modeling asterisk, a proper user model should include demographics, browsing history, explicit interests, and implicit preferences inferred from behavior, example articles read, videos watched, items liked. Asterisk, content analysis asterisk, use natural language processing, NLP, techniques to analyze content and extract topics, keywords, and sentiment. Asterisk recommendation algorithms asterisk implement collaborative filtering, content-based filtering, or hybrid recommendation systems. Libraries like Surprise, TensorFlow Recommenders, or PyTorch Lightning can be helpful. Asterisk machine learning asterisk train machine learning models to predict user preferences and rank content accordingly. Method 2.4, scheduled content. This is when you know content ahead of time. Method 2.5, dynamic update. Update the trending content regularly. Method 2.6, utilizing external sources. Here you can utilize other API trending location to include in your data. Step 3, scheduling and background tasks. To keep the trending list fresh, you'll need to run the score updates and list refreshes periodically. Asterisk task scheduling asterisk use a task scheduler like Celery, Python, AP Scheduler, Python, or similar libraries in other languages, or a cron job, on Linux/Unix systems. Asterisk background tasks asterisk execute the update underscore popularity underscore scores and potentially refresh underscore trending underscore items functions in the background, asynchronous tasks. Step 4, front-end integration, example, Python Flask. Here's a simplified example of how you might display the trending items in a web application. We'll use Flask, Python. Index.html, template example. Front-end considerations asterisk. Asterisk caching asterisk cache the trending list on the front-end, browser or CDN, to reduce server load. Asterisk Ajax/WebSockets asterisk use Ajax to periodically refresh the trending list without reloading the entire page. WebSockets can provide real-time updates. Asterisk user interface asterisk design an engaging UI for displaying trending items, example carousels, lists with thumbnail images, animations. Asterisk personalization hints asterisk if you're using personalized trending, provide subtle hints to the user about why they're seeing certain items, example recommended based on your interest in technology. Complete example, minimal. Index.html, in a templates folder. How to run asterisk. 1. Install dependencies asterisk. 2. Save asterisk save the Python code as appy and the HTML as templates/index.html in the same directory. 3. Run the app asterisk. 4. Visit in browser asterisk open your web browser and go to http://127.0.0.1:5000/. You should see the initial trending items. The list will automatically update every minute in the background. Important considerations and further enhancements asterisk. Asterisk scalability asterisk for a high traffic application, use a distributed task queue, example Celery with Redis or RabbitMQ, to handle background tasks reliably. Asterisk A/B testing asterisk experiment with different approaches to trending, example different scoring formulas, update frequencies, to see what performs best in terms of user engagement. Asterisk monitoring asterisk monitor the performance of your task scheduler and background processes to ensure they're running correctly. Asterisk content diversity asterisk ensure that your trending list isn't always dominated by the same type of content. Implement logic to promote a variety of content types. Asterisk ethical considerations asterisk be transparent about how the trending list is generated, especially if you're using simulated popularity scores. Avoid manipulating the list to promote specific agendas. Asterisk user feedback asterisk incorporate user feedback, example not interested, show me more like this, to improve the relevance of the trending list. This comprehensive guide gives you a solid foundation for creating an always trending feature. Remember to adapt the code and strategies to your specific application and data. Good luck.